Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
I also want just throw light on this Fulani Esme taking over Benin Auchi Road. And since then, all of us that see the way this Fulani X-Men they take over Benin Auchi Road, not only Benin Auchi Road, some part of our forest as far as the state is concerned. And we have a state governor that up till then till now, he have not even make a statement about this Fulani X-Men and about this bandit. Okay, just imagine from the same state, Edo State, from Auchi to Benin City, nobody can travel from Auchi to Benin City. You cannot travel safely without the interruption or without Fulani X-Men not kidnap you or not rob you. And we have a state governor. And the worst part, when you talk about these things, people will be telling you federal. Buhari made the Abuja. Now you go tell you how you want to run your state. Buhari may be say Ide Abuja. Now you go tell you how you to run your state for Edo State. And we are collecting security vote every month. About 700 million. About 700 million. We are collecting a security vote in our state every day. Buhari know the owe us. Buhari know the owe our state security vote. Then people are still saying, go and tell Buhari. So let me say, if Benin man marry Benin woman, if you want to an husband and wife thing, you need to first go tell Buhari first. Say, Buhari, oh, I want to follow my wife, do husband and wife thing. For una to talk truth, good evening, mama. For una to talk truth, say the state is not be governed well. Una go to give Buhari media Abuja. Look at today now, Benin Auchi Road was covered by Fulani X-Men. And we have a state governor that have vigilante that is not empowered. Vigilante that is just like what my son is, like this toy, me my son till they play. A vigilante that is like a poster. Good evening, mommy. A vigilante that is like a poster. Empower vigilante, no. The police force, no. Vigilante go work January on the 1st or on the 31st. They don't go collect what they call 10,000 naira or 5,000 naira. And we are collecting security votes. A state, just not see they from Benin, they go Lagos now. This one, they from Benin, they go Benin. From Auchi, they come Benin. You cannot drive safely. From Benin to Benin, you know go fit drive safely, and our governor say he a technocrat. Which kind of technocrat our governor could be? See the way Fulani X-Men don't take over Benin Auchi Road. And with their people too. Una no fit ask una governor, una go dey call Buhari. Buhari made the Abuja. Now one can tell una wetin dey happen for Edo State. As una out run Edo State. I'm passing this message to all these Togberians, all these Demosakwe, holding Apostle Alfred, and people for me agitating for this land grabbing now. You guys should also agitate for this insecurity in our state. Not be where benefit, they benefit for they do something. Mona see go they agitate for land grab the way our state is insecure. Coming from Lagos to Benin, you go to pay flight. I remember we used to travel from Benin to Lagos 2,500, 3,000. But no, you go to pay 70,000 for flight, 80,000, 100 something thousand. From how many hours from Benin to Lagos? For now to the blame on our governor, on the first person on one put blame for a body. Now, call the carry this thing, land this thing, they disturb people. No be people want develop land. People that want to develop the land today, all of them fear not let that they go Benin again. You may they watch me, so you will get money, me you go invest for where security not there. For all those states, as far as Nigeria is concerned, those states is one of the poorest states when it comes to insecurity. And we are collecting 700,000, I believe 7 million naira, 700 million naira, 700 million every blessed month from Buhari for security vote. Vigilante now will get motor now they not get. Payment they not they carry back. Now they use their money they buy bullets. And now they expect magic from them. If we can imagine whether or lay at Germany or do negotiate. Mwimle Mohamed Ilelegbe. Huh? Your state, that you are the number one chief security officer. You cannot even drive from Benin to Lagos. Now, plane you they drive. You fly plane, you fly your shopper, then you say me your driver they use their motor to cut away for you for airport for Lagos. And all of us, we all sit down, we just cover air. Go to your olos now land grabbing. You may want to invest for the land grabbing now. You go fish road, pass go Benin. Insecurity everywhere. As far as Edo State is one of the poorest states when it comes to insecurity. Waiting me and understand for this our Benin people. Anything me you're the trend now will they follow. You see this land grab get where we all see rich now we all see forget that another agenda now they go still bring come again. Una don't forget say insecurity for our state na number one. I wish as una carry this land grab people for head, they protest, they do everything, they do social media 24 hours. I wish na so una say carry this insecurity as una work follow governor. Maybe better solution go just see. Even the people may they support the governor, like the life of the Musakun, holding them apostle Alfred, if they talk and they put them for Buhari head. Fear not let to talk to our governor will vote for. On our would they put them for Buhari the whole security vote, that should be your question. Buhari now the rule Edo State, that should be your question. Now Buhari be governor of Edo State, that should be your question. That should be your question. Look at go mechema. Who you want to go cry give now? Eh? Everything we order Buhari. Okay, not be the same state. Not be this what do they call this state? Ebonyi State. No be Nigeria Ebonyi State today. No be Nigeria Calabar day. I've been the day on another state. Ma begin mission state. No be Nigeria Lagos day. Huh? Go Ebonyi State, it be like America in the night. Go Ebonyi State, it be like America in the night. Cause they fly over, you go run. You go snap for them, you feel even tell people say you did London. Go Calabar. See the way they are building factories, schools. As in, job opportunity and all those things. And Calabar people say they talk say the man not they try. Which mega factory our governor don't open for us? Which mega school our governor don't open for us? Which empowerment our governor don't give our youth? See the way they back Keken and Pep, Moto, back, they empower security. Which one our governor do? He go buy Siana of 600,000. They share and they give vigilante, maybe say, if they turn the neck 2 times, front wheel drive, he sharp go, they make noise. He sharp go, they make noise like that. Bakaka. And we are collecting security vote. Our mother go suffer, farm finish for Auchi, may they call seller for Benin, on their way going to Benin, and robber go, Fulani Esme go attack our mothers. Our mother go sell their pikin, he go want carry food from Benin, go Auchi, go give a pikin a day school, on the way going Fulani go kidnap him. Our mother go see this side their farm, they work. Fulani expect go follow their back home, rape them, machete them, kill them. Ask yourself, is it how we are supposed to be living our life? And we have a governor, we have security, we have federal security police, we have local security vigilante. The vigilante now, I say they be like this, me my pikin to the at your stand, so now say they your stand. No go get what you go make a waka, no be go fi waka. They turn around be center of ring road there, they form this thing for them. The federal security, all those ones they like all those ones they wait for community crisis, they wanted to collect money. And our governor, I don't know the kind of English me they deceive us. He go they speak big English. And he thought you harm son, you killed. Look at Calabar governor, now so he be na 3 battery. People people make short, now he get sense, but show mule. As he short, he gets sense, he walks more. We see him. See Calabar governor, see him, he short, he gets sense. See Hope Uzodima, he short, he gets sense. See the other governor for this thing, he short, he bless people may thought they don't get sense. Those are everyone help those who help themselves. Everyone help those who help themselves. God go help us still be Joshua for not there. Because he have one of the biggest church in Africa or even in the world. At least he have won so people believe in him and he have won so. He not supposed that. Everyone help those who help themselves. Why are they moving with escort? Why are those the pastors that believe in God even more than me, this common man? Why are they moving with escorts? Fear no let to Obasek. If you talk to Obasek, now so he support her, they go pack come out like flaming sea shit. Now so they go pack come out like flaming sea shit. They persuade and say, why you go talk our governor technocrat? What is your technocrat is all about? I never see the one kind technocrat. Whether trade or they follow underground or they follow sky or they follow middle, I never see one technocrat. Nah, any of them not even waiting all of them now land grabbing. Land grab. If I put this energy of this land grabbing, after this land grabbing, I post on that they say, after this land grabbing, we go still go for political grabbing. And you see any of them, I may go come and talk about. If you go see any of it, remember talk about me go talk about this Fulani estimate going on in Benin and Auchi road. You see, and they'll go to blame Buhari. Buhari me yo di Abuja. Me no even know what that no market. Wait till Buhari believe say he they give on our security vote on our money. Mona go secure on our state. I wish you know they pay on our day, but if they pay on our governor, Doctor, come and say, Governor Buhari, President Buhari never give a security vote for 2 months. Which they go they use the money. State is built up for few people. State people may they run those state not reach 10. They not even reach 5. Okay, what you go they use the money they do now? House of Assembly not complete. The full house not complete. Okay, what you go they use the money they do now? Yeah? Fulani has made scatter all our town. They finish our mama, they finish our papa, our sisters, our brother. Coming from Auchi to Benin is a crime. From Benin to Auchi is a crime. We are called safe. Lagos that you can drive for 3,500 or 4,000 accordingly or 5K. Now you go to pay 70,000, 80,000, 100,000 just to fly from Lagos to Benin. Imagine the shots. Imagine the rate and the shortage. Imagine you are traveling from Europe now to Nigeria. You get to Lagos with your luggage. You are supposed to carry a Degbe or God is good or Big Joe or any car. Load your load all your luggage. Drive with the motor may you rent. It go carry all of a company. You know, with the fears if you reach or why if you reach one place, na so Benin good, na so Fulani esme go come out. If you reach Benin Auchi road, na so Fulani esme. You suppose drive follow am with your load. You come out, but now you send your load different. You go book another. You okay another ticket from Lagos to Benin again. You spend times two of your money that you are supposed. Money maybe see if you reach out, you take that biscuit for your brothers, your siblings and your loved ones. You go spend that money for you to fill your content from abroad here. I have a ticket or Rico from Benin to Lagos. You want to travel again? You want to travel by the road again? You load your baggages now from Big Joe or Degbedis. You load and you pay. You go say they go. Then you go the fair play me you went out from Lagos to Benin. And God, this our governor. Mona still Usakwe no holding Apostle Alfred. Mona still beg this man. May I beg? Me empower this vigilant. Me they pay them. Me talk about this insecurity in Edo State. Wawa mwene land grabi you. No be people, no be you. You may they wash me so. Whether you did Nigeria or you there, I don't know the where you did. No be we they acquire the land. Okay, land more they acquire now. We no feed the assessor. We buy land now, person from abroad now saying, okay, want go look at land. He say, okay, me use land now mistakenly. He go the killer. And what ayeta? You never secure people, you just secure property. What is the number one priority as a governor? Is to secure the life and property. Even at police, is to secure life and property. Life is the first thing first. Secure life and property. But this is why those people now property. Everybody they secure property because now their money they pass on. Nobody they secure the life that is investing that property. We are investing in property for we to be investing in life. Drive from bypass to Oluku. You don't see one. You don't see any security. Now station na born since how many years is NSAS. On I don't see any police station say they don't open up. See now so they don't build and say the police don't work again. She's in different state as even Imo State has different things don't happen for Imo State the way on no government, Fulani men, Boninimi don't destroy Imo State. You see the way Imo State are still organizing, the government is still working on. I see the brand new cars and ilos and the way they empower the security. That one a statement say on no government they visit that state in a month like 50 times in a month. But they are still organizing that state. Talk less of how we not get only problem we get na Fulani yes man. We not fit Takura. Our governor, why do you know we don't? Station bomb for all Benin. And I be up. I never say they go commission one say they don't build and finish. Me même na yini go na 700 million with security food. I don't know what our governor they use and they do. Wa we go agbe na agbe ne no ri nwure na afia. Our most of our brother now Auchi there for the go school. Ekpoma and all those things. To travel from Benin to Auchi na, our mama na they go suffer carry gari. Go fry gari for farm. Okay, man, go give my pikin me this school. On the way going with gari, Fulani esme ye mwela wa. Okay, our mama na made their Auchi, made their pikin they go unibe. The woman don't say water leaf or granite or kerosene. Okay, those gather to me buy food, go give you pikin and make the unibe. Me picking for the me for me buy food go give her. On the way from Auchi to Benin, they'll see drag the woman enter bush, rape them, kill them, kidnap them, collect money, and our governor go your day like this. Oh wow, Zulu people. Oh wow, Zulu people. Oh wow, Zulu people. Oh wow. Abat usakwe no holding apostle Alfred Boston any igwa le club here any igwa le kinigwa walari iken when wa me yara iken igwa lare e igwa yo as you see there so anywhere money no the pass come out they know the talk put. I read a post from Kola Edokba just now say a protest loading from for this about insecurity in Benin and Auchi Road. Eh? You see all those people, may they support governor, may they those things. See, anywhere money no they. Okay, tell me, what is the okay? Now we are saying no to land grabbing. What is bad if we see challenge this energy to say no to this Fulani esme kidnapping our mother, killing our father? Even me not get anybody me they go with you, or who they come up for Benin they go, or who they come from one place they go Benin or Makame. Even man or regwe. Yeah, why we say Nigeria now we said we in Agbomaji. Can decided to your suffer where your ticket will carry reach Lagos. You say Lagos, I zero around Lagos, zero around any state man who say go dey comfortable for me. Here cook be for. But what about our common mothers that he cannot afford flight? What about our common fathers that cannot afford flight? That should be our number one priority. If there is no personal issue, we now one for Horomina say carry Fulani yes may go Benin and Auchi Road. Why may go now with Governor Godwin Obaseki, Fulani yes may your brothers, your sisters, your neighbors go and save them. No. When I know say if una do that one, Governor go say una be bad person, he not go give una appointment. All of una dey lobby appointment. Why you know they go and they put people make the social media for work. The front saying me good pass, Jordan the front saying good pass. One they use on our social media and they lobby for appointment. All those one made they abroad. I not to talk to all those one because all those one na recognition they define. Me governor for no say I do something. But all those one may you immediately face the land. All those one may face the pain for Benin and Auchi Road. You don't ever see about saying drive from Benin, from Lagos to Benin. No. Or when you fly. Ijimi a ti fly here. And woman of 90 something who no do a fly a plane. No how do you use that attack a Boverwa? A plane no aga George we galopero. Or move, or they fly, you know, no, they go to. Go ask, or you bless, you never fly. A plane knows a one fly, go bless you one for. You bless a person one gallop the heaven. Me de we warezi usakuno hudi abad e Boston e apostle Afrison adore read motion of this Fulani X-Men. For na don I go spoil the governor name. I will Mr. Lover governor people. Now governor you dey rule the state with few people. With and they collect security vote every month. Money we know they see, work we know they see, employment we know they see, infrastructure we know they see, development we know they see, security we know they see. Only what you will see now big English from book. In me that our governor na Facebook governor. Na Facebook governor. In me na mami a Facebook na wa mi e paper. Aseko la jambana. Oh we man we live video we consequential mari. No mo boni your money consequential. Odo ye bo odo you go use English spoil everything for us. Odo ya fi marry we. Agboyawa, everybody yoka, land grabbing. Now land grabbing, now I see be this Fulani yes man. Fulani yes man, not be the grand land pass now for Benin. Go some part of Benin, your rest. Fulani now they get the community. Ojon we know they get it up. Now they copy the Ojon with it. I can name like 3 communities. Now they sell land Fulani yes man, now they sell land. On a not go meet all those one. This one will come and go they form into nines and they got set. The other one will come and say no at 2 nines. Now learn of now they use on social media and they lobby for appointment. I want to work. Who they work? Who want to work truth? We don't know. Not be the also feed with it. Not be the feed all of us there. Now also gram. Why can't we mau? How Fulani is go they terrorize us. They terrorize the food and say, you know see Abat. You don't see Sakolo Hoodie. You don't see Apostle Alfred. You don't see Apostle. You don't see any of the evil commands. Okay, more talk, more protest, put a war. If they try and they don't get appointment. If they want to talk, put for them to they talk to their governor, God will move vote for governor, God will not get us or Basaki. For them to talk to governor, or they talk to Buhari. For them to talk to the governor that is governing your state, they will not be insulting Buhari that is in Abuja, that is paying your governor your security vote, that is not owing your governor any money, that is not owing your governor any salary. It goes on a see go the cost, on a go the cost Buhari. On a say Buhari, a bonwachi sekenaje. Very soon for na marry now say Binima marry Binuma okelo we ko I will not carry a tami Buhari ne. Unda we Buhari already. Vigilante now we get all those ones go your day one place. It didn't watch it. Now see they are there. Empowerment no really come. Now those ones they use their money, they buy bullets, they buy fuel, they buy food, they buy water. On the 1st, on the 31st, so now so they'll be like this thing. On the 1st to on the 31st. Basically, your work on the 1st to on the 31st. You know, see Bele mommy put. Then you see more those people go full. Me they go meet full and you go agree me your husband go. You go agree. I bet talk to them. Is it the? You say the governor is not trying. If I ask them, the governor is he trying? Tell us, the governor of Edo State, is he working? No, the governor of the Edo State, is he working? Bless the battery. If I tell you, say no, the governor is not working. Even tell you that, when the governor of Edo State is not working for us. I beg now, I go drop and put my knuckle go to those vests. Maybe. Just imagine. Maybe person, you may they look me so okay. You they shout now, my land. You they go out and maybe you carry 10 luggages or 5 luggages. You are supposed to pay maybe, okay, maximum you pay 40,000 from Lagos or 50,000 from Lagos to Benin. With your deck, we go put them for your compound. I go get you one. Or you could drive that way wason. Or that way you enter. They break here to make a brother kewe borene. Your street people to let them to die on here. Abi? Okay. Now you go carry your 5 luggages put for a dead bay or big or God is good. You send her who's gion back a legbo. Then you okay another ticket that will take you from Benin, from Lagos to Benin. Imagine the money about 70, 80, or 100 and something thousand. Imagine your 50,000. Imagine the money me you supposed to buy drink for your brothers. They made this street. Me don't tell no say this brother doesn't come or this sister doesn't come. That 40,000, that 50,000. It could reach you to mama bring goat come. Wanna go market, go buy goat, buy yam, put drink. Oh yeah, bros, mona they enjoy. The youth may day your street go see they celebrate. Now you money me you go spend once, you go spend at 3 times because of no security. Mommy said that please. I just tired. I don't know the I beg my people, sir, mona protest. Mona usakunu hodi aposto Alfred abato base ebosto mona go protest, mona go turn a governor, may go work. Mona know the deceivers made the social media, the form God sent. I'm not gonna be God sent. I'm not gonna too righteous. You see any of them, go to monitor their page. If they want to attack anybody now, say there's no security in it, they'll go to attack President Muhammadu Buhari. Be watching them now. They will be attacking Buhari that is in Abuja. They will not be attacking the governor of Edo State. They will go to attack Buhari. Fear not let them talk to their governor. Because they lobby, when near now, they use their social media and they lobby for appointment. I better call me peace and I also go in peace. Dadamases says so. Stay blessed and shalom. Good night and sweet dreams.